Hello everyone, myself Alka Goyal, working as an assistant professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of organic compound. So organic compound has been classified on the basis of structure or functional group or the concept of homology. First we will discuss about the classification based on structure. Organic compound is divided into two parts. First is cyclic or closed chain compound. Second is acyclic or open chain compound. Cyclic or closed chain compound is further divided into two parts. First is homocyclic carbocyclic compound. Second is heterocyclic compound. Further, heterocyclic divided into two parts. First is alicyclic heterocyclic compound. Second is aromatic heterocyclic compound. And homocyclic is also divided into two parts: alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. Further, aromatic compound is divided into two parts. First is benzoid aromatic compound, second is non-benzoid aromatic compound. So, one by one, we are going to discuss in detail. First is alicyclic, acyclic or open chain compound. Organic compound to which all the carbon atoms are linked to one another to form open chain, straight or branch, are called acyclic or open chain compound. These may be either saturated or unsaturated example. So butane is the example of saturated acyclic compound and butene is the example of unsaturated acyclic compound. These compounds are also called as aliphatic compounds. Second is cyclic or closed chain compound. Cyclic compound contain at least one ring or closed chain of atom. These are further divided into two subgroups. First is homocyclic or carbocyclic compound. These are the compound having a ring or ring of carbon atom only in the molecule. These are two types. First is alicyclic compound and second is aromatic compound. Alicyclic compound are those compound, these are the compound which contain ring of 3 or more carbon atom. These resemble with aliphatic compound, that is why named alicyclic, that is aliphatic cyclic, also termed as polymethylene. So cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane are three examples of alicyclic compound. Aromatic compound are those compound consist of at least one benzene ring, that is a 6-membered carbocyclic ring having alternate single and double bond. Aromatic derived from Greek word aroma meaning sweet smell. So benzene having one 6-membered ring, that is also called monocyclic, and naphthalene is the contain two benzene ring and is also called bicyclic ring. These are called benzoid aromatics. So further, non-benzoid aromatic. These are the aromatic compound which have structural unit different from benzoid type, known as non-benzoid aromatic. Example, tropolone and azulene. Heterocyclic compound, cyclic compound containing one or more heteroatom, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. in the ring are called heterocyclic compound. These are the two types. First is alicyclic heterocyclic compound, second is aromatic heterocyclic compound. So first is heterocyclic compound which resemble aliphatic compound in their properties are called alicyclic heterocyclic compound. For example, oxirane, tetrahydrofuran, 1,4-dioxane, pyrrolidine. These four examples are the alicyclic heterocyclic compound. Now, aromatic heterocyclic compound, heterocyclic compound which resemble benzene and other aromatic compound are called aromatic heterocyclic compound. For example, furan, pyrrole, thiophene, pyridine. These all are examples of aromatic heterocyclic compound. Thank you.